Fazal is here, your mathematics teacher. I hope you are all fine. Today, unit number 1, rational number, and this is lesson 3 on this unit. Topic, comparison of two and more rational numbers. Previous you have done rational numbers and 4 operation on rational numbers: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Before this, arrange rational numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order, student, smaller to bigger. You are watching here are the blocks. Arrangement is smaller to bigger. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Descending order, bigger to smaller. Students, here are the blocks arranging in descending order: 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this is descending order. In our daily life, students, when we go up to the stairs, so that is ascending order. And when we come down from the stairs, that is descending order. How to arrange rational number in ascending and descending orders? Here is a students' 2 method. One is 2 or more rational numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order with the help of if the denominators are same. And second is if the denominators are not same, then we have to do same denominator by using LCM. Now here is a one activity for you when the denominators are same. Write the following rational numbers in ascending and descending order when the denominators are same. Students, here is some rational numbers: 2 upon 5, 7 upon 5, and 3 upon 5. You are watching, students, here is all rational number have same denominator: 5, 5, and 5. And rule is, if the numerator is smaller, then the rational number is also smaller. And if the numerator is greater, then the rational number is greater. So in this way, you can arrange here ascending order, smaller to bigger. First you will put here 2 upon 5, then 3 upon 5, and then 7 upon 5. So same way, descending order, you will put these rational numbers here, bigger to smaller. After this, students, comparison of two rational numbers. Here is a 2 rational number, 5 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Students, watch here. These rational numbers have different denominators. So when these are different denominators, so we will find LCM because denominators are not same. So right here, denominators are 5 and 7. So we will write here 7 and 8. And we will find the factors and LCM by the prime numbers. And you know the prime numbers have only 2 factors. And smallest prime number is 2. So start from 2. 7 is not divisible by 2, so copy down 7. Then 2 4s are 8. Again by 2. 7 is not divisible by 2, so copy down 7. Then 2 2s are 4. Then again by 2. 7 is not divisible by 2, so copy down 7. So 2 1s are 2. Then 7 1s are 7. So we will write here LCM. Our factors are 2, 2, 2 and 7. So multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 7s are 56. So our 56 is our LCM. Now students, we will make our denominator 56. First is 5 upon 7 and we want to 56. If we will multiply 8 by up and down, then 7 8s are 56 and 5 8s are 40. Then again our next rational number is 3 upon 8, and if we multiply 8 by 7 up and down, then 3 7s are 21 and 8 7s are 56. So students, watch here now. Our denominators are same. This is 40 upon 56. This is 21 upon 56. Now we will arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is smaller to bigger. So it's mean we will write 40 upon 50, 21 upon 50. 21 is smaller rational number than the 40 upon 56. So it's mean we will write here 21 upon 56 less than 40 upon 56. And students, its original rational number is 21, 3 upon 8 less than 5 upon 7. So students, in this way we can arrange this number, which number is greater and which number is smaller. After this, comparison of three rational numbers. So students, watch here. Write the following in ascending and descending order of 3 upon 7, 4 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So watch here students, all these rational numbers have different denominator, 7, 5 and 2. So we will find LCM. Numbers are 7, then 5 and then 2. So start from smallest prime number, that is 2. 7 is not divisible by 2, so copy down. 5 is not divisible by 2, so copy down. So 2 ones are 2. Then 5. 7 is not divisible by 5, so you copy down. 5 ones are 5. Then 7. 7 ones are 7. Now students, our LCM is 2, 5, 7. When we multiply, 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So our LCM is 70. Now one by one we will make our rational numbers of the denominators 70. First is 3 upon 7. Then 4 upon 5. Then 1 upon 2. We want to 70. So if we multiply up and down by 10, then 10 3s are 30 and 10 7s are 70. 4 upon 5. We want to make 5 is 70. So it's mean we will multiply this number by, we can do in this way also. If 70 by 5 then 5 ones are 5. Here is a 2, then 0, 5 fours are 20. So it's mean if we multiply it by 14 up and down, then 14 fours are 4 6 are 4 fours are 16, then 56, and 14 fives are 70. Then we want to 70. So if we multiply 35 both sides, then 35 ones are 35 and 35 twos are 70. So students, watch here. Our all denominators are 70. 30 upon 70, 56 upon 70, 35 upon 70. Now come to ascending order. Ascending order is smaller to bigger. Our smaller number is, watch here, 30. This rational number is smallest. So we will write this one, 3 upon 7. Then 35. Original rational number is 1 upon 2. Then 56. That is original is 4 upon 5. So this is our ascending order. Now come to descending order. Bigger to smaller. So change this arrangement. Bigger is 4 upon 5, then 1 upon 2, and then 3 upon 7. So this arrangement is our descending order. So students, in this way we can find the comparison of three rational numbers. Now comparison of four rational numbers. Write the following in ascending and descending order of 2 upon 9, 5 upon 3, 1 upon 2, and 5 upon 6. So watch here. Our rational number have different denominators, 9, 3, 2, and 6. So write here 9, then 3, then 2, then 6. Now our smallest prime number is 2, so start from 2. 9 is not divisible by 2, so copy down. 3 is not divisible by 2, so copy down. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now by 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, and 3 ones are 3. Now again by 3, 3 ones are 3. Now students, our LCM is 2, 3, 3. 2 threes are 6, 6 threes are 18. Our LCM is 18. Now we will make our all denominators 18. First rational number is 9, 2 upon 9. Second is 5 upon 3. Third is 1 upon 2. And fourth is 5 upon 6. Now one by one. Our denominator is 9. We want to make it 18, our LCM. So if we multiply up and 2 by 2, then 2 twos are 4. 9 twos are 18. Then make 3 to 18. 3 6 are 18. And 6 5s are 30. Then we want to make 2 18 multiplied by 9 up and down. 1 9s are 9. 9 2s are 18. Then we want to make 6 18. If we multiply up and down by 3, then 3 5s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. So watch here, all our denominators are same, and that is equal to our LCM 18. 4 upon 18, 30 upon 18, 9 upon 18, 15 upon 18. Now come to ascending order. Smaller to bigger. Watch. Smallest, our numerator is 4, then 9, then 15, and then last is 30. Original of 4 upon 18 is 2 upon 9. Then is 9 upon 18. Original is 1 upon 2. Then 5 upon 6. And last is 5 upon 3. So this is ascending order. Now come to descending order. Bigger to smaller. This arrangement we will change it. 5 upon 3, 5 upon 6, 1 upon 2, and 2 upon 9. So this is our arrangement is descending order, bigger to smaller. So students, in this way we can comparison of more than 2 rational numbers. So watch here students, here is a homework for you. Do exercise 2.3 page 43 question 6 and 7. Do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your maths copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework and activities. Students, thank you for your listening.